In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a team booking in Teams Bookings Microsoft. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional booking option your team can use right inside Microsoft Teams. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Teams. Open Teams and sign in with your organization account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand navigation bar and click the Apps icon. This opens the app gallery where you can add tools to extend Teams. In the search bar at the top, type Bookings. Microsoft Bookings is the scheduling tool that integrates directly with Teams to help you set up services, manage availability, and automatically generate Teams meeting links. From the results, select Bookings and click Open. Teams will load the Bookings app within the interface. If you use it often, you can keep it handy for future sessions, but for now, just proceed. When Bookings opens, you'll be prompted to choose between creating a new booking calendar or using an existing booking calendar. Pick New if you're starting from scratch for a team or service that doesn't have a calendar yet. Choose Existing if your organization already has a calendar you want to add services to or manage collaboratively. Next, fill out the core details for your booking. Enter a clear descriptive title so invitees know exactly what the appointment is about. Add a category to help keep services organized, especially if you plan to offer multiple types of bookings. Make sure the Teams meeting toggle is on. This ensures every booking automatically includes a Teams meeting link, which saves manual setup and reduces confusion. Set the duration that best matches your service. Short sessions keep momentum moving, while longer ones give more time for complex topics. Decide whether this will be a public or private booking link. Public links are accessible to anyone who has the URL, which is great for broad access. Private links restrict visibility to specific people or groups, which can be helpful for internal or invite-only services. Take a moment to fine-tune schedule options as needed. This is where you can align availability with your team's working hours, set lead time so people can't book at the last minute, add buffer time between meetings, and adjust time zone preferences to avoid cross-time zone confusion. When everything looks right, click Save. Your settings are now locked in, and the booking is ready to use. From here, your team can share the appropriate link and start accepting appointments with the confidence that every meeting will include a Teams link and follow the rules you configured. That's it. You've set up a team booking in Teams Bookings, efficiently and with the right controls for your organization.